Yes, good morning mga baby parikoy and welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. It's Arnida Mindalano and don't forget to hit the bell button para updated ka po sa aking next vlog. The notification will notify you that I'm online and I'm having my new content. So, mga baby parikoy, bago tayo mag-content ngayon, so let's do the shout out first. So, shout out to Mataba Channel. It's Jason Caballero. Bisitahin nyo yung channel niya. Another shout out to Hazelnut Lati, to Petra and Ming Crackhead Zoo Vlog, and to Edgar Agabar Vlog. So, ayun yung ating mga pa-shout out for today. So, today, my vlog for today is all about how I clear my melasma and how I get this shiny, shimmering face of mine. So mga baby parikoy, sa last vlog natin is nakita natin na gumagamit tayo ng Skin Touch Set E. So after 1 month, so proceed naman tayo sa Skin Touch Set B. Ayan siya. So for today, mag-unbox tayo tapos i-review natin kung ano yung laman ng Set B, paano siya gamitin, at paano siya i-apply, and yung mga benefits niya. Benefits. So, let's start the Skin Touch Set B. So, this is the box. Yeah. Inside the box, we have a Magic Exfoliant Toner. Another, we have the Day Cream SPF 40. Yeah. And we have the Collagen Cream, the Anti-Aging Cream. And last but not the least, the Night Cream, which is the Exfoliant Cream. Jarot! So, we have the, inside the box, we have 4 products. May sabon yan mga baby parikoy. Ang orange exfoliant soap. So, hindi ko na siya nadala. Tapos, so we have a box here. We have the direction to use. See it at the back. And we have the disclaimer. And we have the reminder. So, we should discuss first the disclaimer. So, don't panic if you experience these side effects because it's eventually go away. So, it's all temporary. If irritation occurs, discontinue use this product. This product is not recommended for pregnant, lactating mothers, and children below 12 years old. So, that is our disclaimer. So, we have the reminder here. We have 4 reminders, so mga baby barikoy. So, let's do the number 1 reminder. Number 1, do a patch test first before using the product. So, sabotable kaayo, no? So, before you apply this product in your, to your face, you should do the first test. So, if no allergies occur, you may start using this product. In case of severe redness and itchiness, refrain from using this product. So, we have number 2. Do not apply to wounded skin and avoid areas near the eyes and mouth. So, you should avoid the areas near the eyes and mouth. So, number 3. If intense burning is felt when using Glucocogic with Arbutin soap and Magic Exfoliant Toner the first week, switch soap and toner for a few days. Then use the Glucocogic with Arbutin soap. So, now, number 4 is avoid to sun exposure during this product. So, sabotable kayo mga baby parikoy. Mga friendship to all friends dyan. So, dili ta pwede magbulad og init pag magamit na anino, especially sa atong mga Bisaya nga mga subscribers diha. iwas ta sa sunlight. Agwanta sa ta mga baby parikoy. So, let's go to the direction and how to use this product. Let's go mga baby parikoy. So, we have the direction and how to use this Skin Touch Set B. So, first gagawin mo is the Gluta-Kojic with Arbutin soap. So, use in the morning and evening as your daily soap cleanser. So, apply to face and lather to 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing for this result. So, after every washing your face, next, you should use the Magic Exfoliant Toner. Yan. So, our Magic Exfoliant Toner is after cleansing with Gluta-Kojic with Arbutin soap. So, apply Magic Exfoliant Toner on your face and neck using exfoliant pad in upward motion. Do not rinse and use it for 30 days. So, you should use the exfoliant toner with cotton ball upward motion mga baby parikoy, and you should use as 30 days only. Huwag nang gamitin after 30 days. Baka mabuak yung skin mo. Okay? Next is the pag sa arawan yan, so you should use the Magic Cream SPF 40. So, best apply during daytime after applying your Magic Toner. Yan use the soap, this first, and the day cream SPF 40 in morning. So, pagkagabi na naman, use the soap, then the exfoliant toner, and before applying the night cream, you should use the collagen cream for anti-aging, anti-kunot-kunot. So, anti-collagen cream is the best apply during night before applying night cream. So, sabotable mga baby parikoy, no? You should use first the collagen and then follow the night cream. Use this in upward motion. Slowly upward motion mga baby parikoy. Pag ganyan. Ganyan. Ito nga ang tumatanggal sa aking melasma. Ayan, fa-fade out na siya. So, ayan, alam na natin paano gamitin yan. Yan lang, paulit-ulit within 30 days. Tapos, you're good to go. So, to our first time user of Skin Touch Set B, we have the what should you expect, the common side effect that is very, very normal. So, unahin natin yung mga mga side effect niya. So, please note that the all side effects below listed experience is all normal. So, meron tayong mga mararamdaman na mga hindi kaaya-aya. So, it's temporary, so don't worry. So, first is the redness. So, my first day of using this Skin Touch Magic Set B is that medyo namumula yung face natin mga baby parikoy, tapos namumula-mula, which is all temporary. Itchiness, nakati-kati. So, it's all normal. Tapos nagpipil siya. So may peeling siya pa konti-konti, pero iba-iba naman yung skin types natin. Yung iba hindi nakaka-experience ng peeling. So sa akin, medyo micro yung peeling niya, pa konti-konti lang. So meron din siyang tingling sensation, tight feeling, parang naglalagay ka ng itlog. Yung nakakatry ng naglalagay ng parang face mask na ginagamit yung itlog, parang binabanat yung mukha mo. Yan, may tight feeling siya mga baby parikoy. And other is the breakout. Pag marami kang pimples, lalabas si pimples as in 100,000 pimples kung marami kang pimples. Kasi, tinitreat niya paunti-unti yung ating pimples. Tapos, mamamatay din yan kalaunan at you can achieve that beautiful, that shimmery, shining skin like mine. Okay. So, yan lang mga baby parikoys. Yun ang aking review. So, it was an honest review. Walang pakunda-kundangan. It's very, very, very honest review. Charot! So, yun na ating katapusan ng ating review, mga baby parikoy. So, another to our disclaimer. And I'm not paid by Skin Touch company. It's all a promise review from me because I experienced that, again, the really rough kagandahan. So, yung mga gusto mag-try, bili na kayo. Again, this cost 400 pesos. Tapos, makikita mo siya sa online. Online, maraming mga concept stores. At siguruhin mo lang makabili ka ng mga original product from Skin Touch para imbis kay gaganda ka mga baby parikoy, papakit ka lang yan. So, siguraduhin mong legit yung pinagbibilhan mo ng product. Which is very important kasi we wish to have beautiful skin. So, that skin that we wish, charot, will be successful in using this Magic Stats Skin Touch Whitening Products from Magic Set B. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.